Hello, hello. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Terry. I'm your teacher today.
Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm learning English.
That's wonderful, Lisa. And hello to everyone listening. If you are new to English, you are in the right place.
Yes, welcome everyone.
Today's lesson is very special. We will learn real English, the kind of English Americans use every day. These are words you hear in daily life, but many books do not teach them.
Oh, I like that. Real English sounds fun.
It is fun and easy and slow, so don't worry. We will go step by step.
I'm ready.
Great! Let's begin. First topic, greetings. Lisa, when you meet someone, what do you say?
I say hello.
Perfect. Hello is very common. Americans say hello every day.
Hello.
Good. Now, Americans also say hi. Hi is short. Hi is friendly.
Hi.
Very nice. Now listen. Repeat after me. Hi.
Hi.
Good job. Another common greeting is hey. Hey is very casual. Friends say hey.
Hey.
Great. Now let's practice together. Everyone listening, try this. Say hi. Good. Now say hey. Excellent. Now, Americans often ask, how are you?
Yes, I hear that a lot.
Yes, but listen carefully. They are often not asking for a long answer. It is just polite.
Oh, I see.
A very common answer is good,
Good.
or I'm good,
I'm good.
or even good, thanks.
Good. Thanks.
Perfect. Now let's practice a mini conversation. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Excellent. You are doing great. Now let's move to our next topic, numbers.
Numbers are important.
Very important. Americans use numbers every day. For time, for money, for age.
Yes.
Let's start small. Repeat after me. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Good. Now listen again. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Great. Now let's continue. 4,
4,
5.
5.
Perfect. Americans also say numbers fast, but you can go slow. Slow is okay.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Now let's practice together. Everyone listening, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Numbers are everywhere. Now let's talk about days of the week.
Okay.
Americans talk about days all the time. Work days, free days.
Yes.
The first day is Monday.
Monday,
Good. Next is Tuesday.
Tuesday,
Then Wednesday.
Wednesday.
That one is long, but it's okay.
Yes, it's a little hard.
You're doing great. Next is Thursday.
Thursday,
Then Friday.
Friday.
Friday is a happy day for many people.
Yes.
Then we have Saturday
Saturday,
and Sunday.
Sunday.
Perfect. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Good. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Excellent. Now let's learn common objects, things you see every day.
Okay.
Look around you. What do you see?
I see a phone.
Yes, phone is a very common word.
Phone.
Another common object is keys.
Keys.
Good. Americans often say, "Where are my keys?"
Where are my keys?
Perfect. Another object is wallet.
Wallet.
or bag.
Bag.
Now let's practice. Everyone listening, repeat after me. Phone, keys, wallet. Very good. Now let's talk about something fun, food and drinks.
I like this topic.
Me too. Americans talk about food every day.
Yes.
A very common word is coffee.
Coffee.
Americans love coffee. Another word is water.
Water.
Good. For food, a common word is pizza
Pizza.
and burger.
Burger.
Now listen. Americans often say, I want coffee,
I want coffee.
or I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Very natural. Now your turn. Everyone listening, say, I'm thirsty. Great job. Now let's talk about daily activities, things people do every day.
Okay.
In the morning, Americans say, I wake up.
I wake up.
Then, I get up.
I get up.
Good. Then, many people say, I go to work.
I go to work.
Or, I go to school.
I go to school.
In the evening, they say, I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
And at night, they say, I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
Perfect. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. I wake up. I go to work. I go to sleep. Wonderful. Now, let's review everything.
Okay.
We learned greetings. Hello, hi, hey.
Hello. Hi. Hey.
We learned numbers. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
We learned days of the week. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday.
We learned common objects. Phone, keys, wallet.
Phone, keys, wallet.
We learned food and drinks. Coffee, water, pizza.
Coffee, water, pizza.
And we learned daily activities. Wake up, go to work, go to sleep.
Wake up, go to work, go to sleep.
Amazing job, Lisa, and amazing job to everyone listening.
Yes, thank you so much.
Remember, slow English is good English. Practice every day.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, and keep learning English.